Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to clear Windows Update cache on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To clear Windows Update cache on Windows 10 computer, click on Start menu, click on Settings icon, click on System. In left pane, click on Storage. Here you will find temporary files. Click on it. The first one is Windows Update Cleanup. Windows keeps copies of all installed updates from Windows Update, even after installing newer version of updates. Here, in my case, 3.15 GB Windows Update cache. Just click here to select it and now click on remove files. Windows Update cache is removing right now. This is the way to clean up Windows Update cache. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.